Hey guys, welcome to Cyberunique Art. My name is Ricardo and today I'll be showing you some techniques I use for drawing anime heads. Once you draw the circle, then I usually put the high line, the first eye line, just to represent where the face is going to be at. So let's just line like this. Once I do that, then I usually draw the middle piece, just to have an idea where the head's going to be turning. So I usually put the line down like this. Once you do that, now you know where the direction the head's going to be at. So once you do that, I usually draw the second guideline for the eyes. Then I draw, just two straight lines parallel to each other. That's usually tells me where the face, that's usually shape the face out for me. Once I do that, then I draw a line down, I draw the next line down, just to give the shape of the face. I can put the eyes, sketch the eyes in, so you have an idea where the eye is going to be at. Then, now to draw the face. Oh, the ears. The ears usually lines up with the eyes, so you want to put the ears there, down, bam. There you go. The eyes are too small. Put the nose, the mouth, and there you go. And then the neck. Ooh, this guy there. There you have it. Just for that, let's draw a different one at a different angle. Here we go again. I'll draw the circle. Once you do that, basically this person going to be looking up. So let's put this line here. Once you do that, the direction where the face going to be at, put two lines parallel to each other just to show where the face is at. Just straight line down to get the jaw corner and the second eye. Second lines for the eyes. Once you do that, you just sketch the eyes in. Once you sketch the eyes in, you can just draw the jawline. Ooh, my eyes are too big. Draw the ears, the neck, and the nose. You can go in any order, but I usually just jump around, then eyebrow. Oh, touch screen. Same thing, I'm gonna do one more head. Oh, should I do this? Okay, one more circle. Then centerpiece. You can do it in any order, whichever comfortable to you, but so I'm gonna do the ears. Let me flip this real quick. I just flipped the screen so I can control it better. Nose, mouth, and there you go. Okay, see, that's how you do it. So now let me pretty this up because it looks kind of awful down, so I'm gonna try to pretty this girl up. See, you need to take it off. Let me turn those up. See? This one, let's get this one over here. What she's doing? I should look it down on you. The ears. There we go. See? And let's do this girl over here. She is serious. The ears. Actually, let's give this one the elf ears. Illustrator. Okay, so there you have it. And this is how you draw your head. Pretty simple. You know, after a while, when you practice a lot, you know, you don't need to use these guidelines, but it helps sometimes, especially when you're doing a difficult pose. Okay, let's add some hair. You know, add some hair to the characters. Let's see what type of hairstyle. Let's do this. Actually, I don't know what type of hairstyle I'm doing this character. Yes. Okay, and which one? How should I do this hairstyle for this one? Got no idea. But I don't know, let's give her a ponytail. And this last one, let's give her actually, let's try to give her a bang. Bangs are usually hard to do, but let's see how far I get. Again, I'm just making this up while I go. Long hair ponytail. Get rid of this. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, you know what to do. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and I will get to it as soon as possible. Later.